Hey, hello. You're stuck with Wolf Gorlick, Humans Riffing on IT and IT security. Today, on the first day of spring, looking at the value of spring cleaning as it applies to cybersecurity. It is May 1st. It is a balmy 85 degrees out here in Detroit. It is beautiful. I am going to record this video and do a couple more calls and call it good, because it's a good day to be outside. But of course, change of seasons always remind us, spring cleaning, getting our homes in order, picking up, reorganizing, resorting, and coming fresh off of doing an ISO assessment, which I was doing earlier, and looking at the importance of revisiting, revitalizing systems. I think the tip for you is this: in much the same way we move throughout our calendar year and take care of our homes and our households, we have to do the same thing with security. So for example, let's suppose that there is a process in place to reload systems, maybe not in spring, but reload systems periodically. Your end user computer environment gets refreshed annually. This is critical, right? The cruft builds up. Apps slow down, the servers get hung up. There's 1,000,001 agents, and the ability to clean it up, put on the latest security features, put on the latest of your apps, harden it, put on a few agents and go, is a really strong control for protecting the end user environment. And as a matter of fact, on the server side, it's one of the things I love most about something like DevOps, the ability to spin up brand new fresh environments, move your code to it, spin down the old ones, right? Similarly, if you look at going through and organizing your user groups, cleaning those up, going through and taking stock of who has rights and where and why, reinforcing the concept of role-based authentication. It doesn't have to be a lot, but going through on a regular basis and doing these types of cleanup activities that frankly tend to be forgotten throughout the year. And each one of these cleanup activities is an opportunity to leave the world in a better place, is the opportunity to have a conversation with whoever owns that about security and why it's important, is an opportunity to further shift the culture and further drive the technology. That's my call for spring cleaning. So what do you think? Are you like, no, forget it, I don't want to clean up anything? Hit me up in comments or social media. Cheers.